This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mapping the exact syllabus to avoid wasted notes. Gather the official UGC NET syllabus and list topics by paper and unit so you know what to cover first. Next, prioritize high-weight topics, those that appear repeatedly in past papers, because they return most value for time invested. Once done, set study blocks of 45 to 60 minutes with short 10 to 15-minute breaks. This maintains focus and improves retention while you build notes. You now turn topics into concise 1 to 2 page cards that capture definitions, core concepts, and any formulas. This makes revision quick and efficient. For each card, include one short example and a simple diagram or timeline if it clarifies relationships. Visual speed recall. Make sure to use clear headings and minimal sentences so scanning is fast. Finally, implement a color tag system. Red for must revise, yellow for review, green for done. This guides repeated passes and shows progress. You finish by consolidating notes and practicing active recall. Schedule weekly 30 to 45-minute self-test sessions using flashcards or past paper questions to convert notes into usable knowledge. Once confident, compress essentials into a 2-page master cheat sheet for final week rapid review. This forces you to prioritize. If you get stuck on a topic, split it into smaller subtopics and teach the piece aloud to yourself. This exposes gaps quickly and makes the material manageable when you revise under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.